What's going on, everybody? My name's NoSignal. Today I'm going to show you how you can change it. So if you have a custom gear set on your DayZ server, whether that's through Nitrado or on PC or whatever it is you're doing, how to make it so you can still have your custom gear, but your players can have a custom character. You know, when you first open DayZ, you set your character. A lot of the time people will make these custom gear sets and it basically stops you from using the character that you chose. So you respawn and you end up as a woman, or you respawn as you end up as the Chinese guy, or whatever. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that, and it's super simple. It's going to take you 3 seconds. So here I am right now in my spawn file. This is the gear set that you get if you play Jolly Wally Survivors. You get a Chinaris map, a compass, a knife, some bandages, and then you get some medical scrubs. Everyone gets that. But if you want it so they can use their custom character, all you need to do is remove these. What this here does is basically makes it so when you respawn, it's going to pick one of these. If you remove it completely and just make it look like that, then it's going to default to the custom character that you chose before you loaded the game, which will mean people won't be killing themselves at spawn. You won't have an influx of dead bodies, and your players will be happy. That's the main thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it really helped you out, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.